Hello, welcome back to another video. For those of you who are new here, my name is Rachel. I'm a certified yoga teacher and Reiki master, and I specialize in practices for chronic pain, chronic illness, and trauma recovery. Today we're doing a standing yoga class, and this is something that several of you have requested. So this class is going to help you feel more grounded. It's going to build strength so you can feel more comfortable taking up space and more confident in your body. So let's go ahead and get on our mats. Come to stand on your mat with the feet a comfortable distance apart. Really feel into the soles of the feet, maybe rock back and forth from the toes to the heels. Feel that connection with the earth. Now, with this stable base, start to sway from side to side. Let the arms be loose as the hips rock back and forth. If you'd like to experiment, you can see how it feels to bring the palms of the hands to the thighs, the hips, up to the belly. As you keep swaying side to side, maybe take the hands up the arms, give yourself a hug. Whenever we feel stressed or unsafe, hypervigilant, our natural instinct is to tighten up our muscles. So relaxing and moving the body in this way sends a message of safety to the subconscious so that we know it's safe to be here, it's safe to take up space, it's safe to explore movement here in the present moment. Drop the arms back down to your sides, rock back and forth from heels to toes, and come back into stillness in your standing position. Take a moment just to breathe, notice how you feel. Keep a soft bend in your knees and flip the palms out. Inhale, circle the arms up overhead, palms touch. Exhale, push the air away from you, arms circle back, down, nice and slow. Again, inhale, reach up. Exhale, palms come back down beside you. Keep going at your own pace, really reach through the fingertips. Take up as much space as you possibly can. Really feel into the strength and precision of this movement. Finish your last cycle of breath. Arms come back down to your sides. Now step the feet just a little bit wider. So they're about 3 feet apart. Turn the toes out about 45 degrees. Hands come to the hips. Then sink low into goddess pose. Hands stay comfortably on the hips or take cactus arms so the fingertips point up toward the sky, elbows bent, shoulder blades drawing down the back. Another option to explore movement, inhale, reach up, straighten the leg, exhale, sink back into goddess pose. Go at your own pace with your breath. If this feels like too much, you can stand with the legs straight and just do the arm movement. Last one. On your exhale, bring the hands back to the thighs. Drop the right shoulder toward the midline for a little twist. Inhale, come back up. Exhale, left shoulder drops toward the right knee. Inhale, again over to the left side. Inhale. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. Exhale, right shoulder. Inhale. Exhale, left shoulder. Good. Come back to center. Straighten the legs. All 10 toes point straight ahead. Hands come to the hips. Soft bend in the knees. As you exhale to hinge forward at the waist, spine comes parallel to the floor. Engaging, working those hamstrings. Pause right here for just another moment. And then come all the way into your forward fold. Drop the head toward the earth. Arms dangle or fingertips reach toward the floor. Shake the head, yes, in slow motion, back and forth. And shake your head, no. Now come back to center, let the head be heavy. One more deep breath here. On your inhale, bend deeply into the knees and slowly start to roll yourself up to standing, one vertebrae at a time. Head comes all the way up. Now bend the knees, little hop to bring the feet back to center. That was kind of fun, so let's do that again. And one more time. Hop out, hop in. Now march it out, bending one knee then the other, feeling the feet against the earth. Letting the hips sway a little side to side as you pedal through the knees. Plant both feet, little bend into the knees as you reach up. Inhale, palms touch. And exhale, bring the hands down to heart center. Press the thumbs into the sternum, feel your heartbeat. Maybe close the eyes if that feels good. Feel the rise and fall of each breath. And silently affirm to yourself, I am strong. I am safe. I'm worthy of being here. Thank you so much for being here. If you enjoyed this class, be sure to give it a thumbs up so it can reach more people. And I'll see you next time. Namaste.